Good morning dear students, myself Amritpreet Kaur from Max International School. I hope so all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to English class. Today I am going to teach you A sound words. Today I am going to teach you A sound words. The sound of A word is A. The sound of A word is A. According to first picture, Ka apple cap. Ka apple cap. The upcoming sound is A. The upcoming sound is A. Next word, R at rat. R at rat. The upcoming sound is A. The upcoming sound is A. Next word, jam jam. Jam jam. In this word, upcoming sound is also A. The upcoming sound is also A. Next, b at bat. B at bat. Other word, for an fan. For an fan. In this word, upcoming sound is also A. Next word, car. 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 In this word, upcoming sound is also A. Next one, ma at mat. Ma at mat. Next, tap tap. Tap tap. The upcoming sound in tap word is also A. The upcoming sound in tap word also A. Next one, van van. Van van. Last one, zar zar. Zar zar. In this word, upcoming sound is also A. Now today's A sound word topic is complete. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.